normally I would never go out in a trip where I have to get up at 6 in the morning and get ready, and that plan is up. Hey, but this time I did because the plants are big, stakes are high, and we have Eknatda. Eknatda, you want to say something?
Hello. We are going to Kaohsiung and they are from Kenty.
Yeah, and it's a long
We will
trip.
have a great holiday.
Yes, we are. We better have, so that's what happens. First stop is Kenting, and it's a beautiful beach. The most striking feature that you can see is that there's beach on one side behind me, and there's mountains on this side. So the mountains and the ocean, they're facing each other. So that's great. भाई वो
डायनासोर का अंडा भाई,
डायनासोर का अंडा मिला इसको।
हाँ भाई देखना डायनासोर निकलेगा।
What the hell? That's so we don't run into a deer and I don't know, get bumped. Things have not been according to my camera is inside this raincoat. I can't take it out, but we are right here at the Kenting National Park. This is a week, by the way. Okay, so what we are doing here, it's raining heavily, and we plan to climb up the mountain, but that's we are not doing that right now because it's closed or something, I don't know. It's raining, and
all drenched.
because we are all what?
Drenched.
Drenched?
Just look
What?
at her.
Just look at
Look at
her.
her. We are all drenched.
Okay, and now we are going towards where we
Towards
don't
the
know. We have our comrades taking us to where they think is right. Oh, this is the mountain trail actually, I think. Let's see what happens. We are going up right here, and
निकलेंगे कैसे यहाँ से? घूम तो जा रहे हैं।
चलो 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 चलो, इधर नहीं, उसको फ्लैश को घुमा।
जा तू बंद मत मत। वाटर को लाइट दिखा ना पीछे वाले। ये देखिए। ये बिजली बंद करो। এখানে ফিরতে হবে না। বন্ধ হবে। নাবা
না দেখি নাম
ওই নাবা হোটেলে ভাই अरे ठीक है भाई देखो
and no rest. We are going towards the Marine Biological Museum, that's what it's called, and had a little bit of rest, and now we are on again. So. Ginkgo. I think that's that for Kenting, because it's 2 days and we went to, I think, 3 places, and now we are going back. It was a heck of a day, and tomorrow we are going to Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung is one of the most famous and most visited cities of Taiwan. So there's a lot of stuff that we need to visit, need to cover. Oh, it's our car is here. There we go. Yeah. So we are going back to our dorm, and as I said, we'll be spending some time in the night market, and then I don't know, take some rest, sleep, and gear up for tomorrow. See you in Kaohsiung. But I got the driver! Allah!
Singam! আচ্ছা গানটা তোল
কিটা
এই টাকা দাও এই টাকাও না একবার কাই না একবার তুমি খাবে খেয়ে চলে গেল
খাবার
চাইনিজ আচ্ছা না একই তুই খা দো বাপ রে कितना गरम है बहुत আমারটা করো
unexpected turn of events. Unexpected turn of events because everybody is so tired.
And we are here.
And we are here and what? This is the night market, the famous night market of Kaohsiung, and we are and we are headed towards the top floor of 85 Sky Tower, and everybody's excited and we should go somewhere. Huh?